A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelin bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. In the current media context in which the multimedia consumption of young people has radically changed, young people belonging to the Cam Revoc group of the Salesian Youth Movement (SYM) in Corrientes, Argentina, decided to adopt a new way to relate with their peers, streaming. Through live digital broadcasts, with interviews, reports of events, or simply live interventions, young people use humor and spontaneity to talk about God, the Salesian charism, and their vocational search in Cam Revoc. All you need is a computer and internet connection, a camera, and a microphone, they explain. We did a trial run. We felt comfortable. People congratulated us, and we made contact with young people and adults. And we decided to give continuity to the project. The Inter-Don-Bosco Youth Center League was held in Cebu City last 22nd to 23rd June 2024. This is the third iteration of DBYC and following an 8-year gap. It was organized by youth leaders and volunteers for the different youth centers in Metro Cebu, guided by the Subcommission on Youth Centers of the Commission on Youth Ministries (CYM) under the leadership of Father Rooney John under STB. This two-day sports fest united Salesian youth from 5 Salesian settings, 4 youth centers from Lawan, Lords, Pasil and DBTC, and SYM members and students of the latter. It was organized to kickstart the revival of youth centers after the pandemic lull, with the hope to reignite the participation of young people in sports and games. Events included basketball, volleyball, futsal, local Pinoy games, chess, dance competition, singing competition, and more. Feast of St. John the Baptist and St. John Bosco's name day in the parish shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Mexico City. 11 young novices made their first profession as Salesians of Don Bosco. They come from 3 Salesian circumscriptions in the Inter-America region: Mexico, Guadalajara MEG, Central America CAM, and Haiti HEI. In the name of Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco, the solemn Mass was presided over by Father Ignacio Ocampo Uribe, Superior of the host province of Mexico MEM, flanked at the altar by Father Filiberto Gonzalez Plasencia, Superior of MEG, Father Julio Andres Navarro Mora, Superior of CAM, as well as many other Salesian priests from various provinces of the region. On 26 June, the Salesian Missionary House in Hong Kong hosted a workshop on social communication, focusing on the theme No Hate Speech. The lay missionary collaborators of the Vox Amica Social Communication Office and the youth ministry team were also invited to participate in the event. Father Pedro Leon, delegate for social communication for the CIN province, began the session with a moment of prayer before moving on to examine case studies on hate speech and offering effective management methods with the application of the Don Bosco preventive system. Those present were therefore encouraged to use the preventive system based on the 3 pillars of reason, religion, and loving kindness in their educational methods. On the occasion of the feast of St. John the Baptist celebrated on 24th June, the Salesians of the Northern Delegation of Vietnam gathered at the community in Van Phuoc. The delegate, Father Tran Van Hao, shared some information about the delegation and summarized the main points of the visit of Father Alfred Maravilla, General Councillor for Missions. Subsequently, he informed the Salesians about some news related to the Diocese of Bui Chu, with new suggestions from the Bishop, Bishop Thomas Vintu. Afterwards, the Eucharist was celebrated and Father Joseph Nguyen Quoc Hong and Brother Peter Tran Ngoc Thing were honored for the 50 years of their first profession. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.